about how to wash your bottles once you're done conducting your assay. But first, PPE, while we're washing bottles, you need chemical resistant gloves, splash goggles, and a lab coat or long sleeve shirts. And you're gonna wanna peel all the tape off the bottles, and then you're gonna want to have a bottle brush that can fit inside of these bottles, and then also some sort of soap. It's highly recommended that you use a chemical, like laboratory glassware soap, because it's less frothy than traditional dish soap. The soap residue left on the bottles is going to cause problems when you go to coat the bottles the next time. So you're gonna just wash the bottles in warm soapy water, and you're gonna want to make sure then that you rinse them out at least three times to get all the soap suds out of the bottles. Then you can leave them to dry with the caps off, usually upside down like this with the caps up. If you can put them outside in the sun, that will also help with making sure that they're clean, because the light will degrade any pesticide residue left behind, and it'll help them dry a little bit faster. And once they're clean, if you have any questions about whether or not they're clean, you can introduce a susceptible colony into them if you have one, to test whether they're clean. A commonly asked question is, should I dedicate a certain set of bottles as control bottles only? The answer to that question is no. You want to make sure that you're using all bottles in any position in the assays, and that way you know if your bottle washing procedure was adequate. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your insecticide resistance testing. And if you have any questions, you can consult the CDC or PACVEC.